everyone, today I'm going to be doing this look, which is an easy one, and this one, which is more dramatic. So if you want to know this, then please keep on watching. I have kept the look extremely simple just for the reason that many a times we don't have time to dress up, and that happens most of the times with me at least. And we need to look good as well, so without time but still look gorgeous, and I'll make no sense. So I'll just move to my first step, which is going to be a primer, because I'm not going to apply a compact today. So I need to make sure that my skin stays sweat free, and hence I'm applying a primer. This is the Inglot Under Makeup Base. Go very easy on the concealing, and hence I'm using the Garnier Anti-Dark Circle Eye Roll-On, and I'm just going to use it under my eyes to just hide the shadows which I have under my eyes, and also like above it a little bit. My Pond's BB cream and my Revlon Skin Lights in Golden Lights. I'm going to mix these two together in the ratio of 2:1 maybe, and then I'm going to apply it all over my face, and it's going to give me like a really nice overall glow and that dewy nice finish, that glowing luminous skin finish. Really luminous and glowy in real life. Next up, I'm going to do my eyebrows using the Starlux eyebrow kit, and I'm going to use the brown shade right here to fill into my eyebrows. I'm not going to really fill it in, but I'm just going to define it really softly. You can skip this part if your eyebrows are already full. If there's sparse, you might not want to skip this part, because eyebrows frame your face and they come a little lighter in photographs, and like really Diwali is all about photos now, isn't it? So you want to just define your eyebrows. To be a quick makeup, I'm going to apply Maybelline Dream Mousse blush in 40 Soft Plum, and because you don't need any brushes with this and it works really easily into the skin, so I'm just going to pick up a little bit of that mousse and I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Moving on to the eyes, the first thing I'm going to use is the Relay Autolux Gel Eyeliner Pencil. It's a gel pencil, brown in color. So when I use a brown pencil, I'm going to just smudge it all across my moving eyelid. Next, I'm going to take Colossal Kajal. You can take any black liner pencil you want to, and I'm going to line like really close to my lash line and then smudge that out as well. The reason this look would work is because you need to smudge out everything and you don't need to be very neat with anything, and hence it won't take much of your time. literally do this look so quickly, I'm not even kidding you guys. Next I'm going to line my waterline as well as tight line. This is just going to emphasize on the smokiness and hence make your eyes look really sexy. Next I'm going to curl my lashes. You can skip this part if you're using a curling mascara, which I am, but I still want to curl my lashes for that little extra added effect. Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara, my favorite, plus as I said it has curling properties in itself as well, so you can skip curling your eyelashes if you're in like a real hurry. Lipfinity by Max Factor. It's like a lip stain or a gloss with another gloss, sort of like a sealer or something. I'm going to use Lipfinity by Max Factor in the shade 101 Whisper. I'm going to apply the pink first and then the sealer or whatever it's called. I'm going to apply this sealer, which is like a clear lip balm sort of, and I'm going to apply it over it, but you have to wait till the Lipfinity gloss dries. This is look number 1. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's like a really easy brown smoky eye which takes almost no time, and you can do it really quickly, and plus once you get a hang of it, it can be done like this. And you can always switch up the lip color according to your skin tone and your preference. You can go for any color basically with this look, any color on this planet. But I would suggest that if you are going for this look and you want to keep it simple, go for a lighter or a nuder lip. But obviously if you want to make a statement, you can go for red lips, bright pink lips, any sort of lips that you want to do. So yes, that was look number 1. Now let's move on to look number 2. Moving on to the second look now. This is going to be a little bit more defined, chiseled and a little bit more dramatic than the first one. So the first thing I'm going to take is the Giordani Gold Pressed Bronzing Pearls. With the help of this Avon dual-sided brush, I'm going to use this side, which is a smaller, I don't know which brush this is. It's just like a small brush. And this is what the pressed pearls look like. Really pretty. So I'm going to take that on this side of the brush and I'm going to contour my cheeks with this. Start with the eyes again. I haven't removed any makeup, and it really doesn't matter if you do or do not remove this makeup, but why would you? If you're doing a day to night thing, then you might. So I'm going to take Stila's eyeshadow trio in the shade Goddess, and the shades are amazing. They are so beautiful and they're pigmented crazily. So the first shade I'm going to pick up is going to be this light one right here, and I'm just going to apply it. I'm going to apply this to my moving lid area. Next I'm going to take the darkest shade, which is this one, and I'm going to take it again on my ring finger, and this time I'm going to apply it to my outer corner and a little bit into my crease. It's really easy to work with your fingers, and hence we don't require much brushes or any brushes for the eyes for that matter. I'm going to take an earbud or a Q-tip and I'm going to clean off my kajal. I'm not going to clean it from the lower lash line but from the waterline only. So once I've cleaned my kajal, I'm going to take kajal again, and no, I'm not going to apply it on my waterline, but I'm going to line my eyes really closely to my lash line. Upper lash line. I'm going to line my lower lash line with Colossal Turquoise. You can use any colored liner that you want. It could be blue, green, purple, brown, but you can use any, basically whichever suits your clothing at that day. I have used this, and you can make it as bright or as subdued as you want it to be. So I'm just going to apply this on my waterline. Sorry, that waterline. Once that is done, you want to apply a mascara. I'm using the Deborah Milano Volume Express Volume Sprint Mascara on my upper and lower lashes both. I'm going to do lips, and I'm using the Blue Heaven LS08, which is like a bright reddish color, and I'm just going to apply this on my lips. This comes out more like an orangish red, which I actually love. With that, I finished the second look, which is a bit dramatic but still easy and quick to do. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed both these looks. If you did, then please rate, comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And I have a Twitter, an Instagram, a Facebook and a blog. If you do recreate this, don't forget to send it to me on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook, wherever you want. And I will see you guys super duper soon on Monday. Till then, take care. Bye.